Let's dive into division, 116 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're loving this super fun way to divide, give that subscribe button a big THUMBS up and ring the notification bell. Alright, let's start this division adventure. We look at the first digit of 116, which is 1. We don't have any digits to carry down, so we'll work with this one. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times, so our first quotient digit is 0. Let's check 0 times 2 is 0, that's right. Now we subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. This is our remainder for this step. You're doing great, we're just getting started. Now let's bring down the next digit to make a new number to divide. Ready for the next step, let's keep the momentum going. We bring down the next digit 1 next to our remainder 1. Now we have 11. How many times does 2 fit into 11? Think of your 2's times tables. It's 5. Let's check 5 times 2 equals 10. Perfect. Time to subtract. 11 minus 10 equals 1. Our remainder is 1. Awesome work, you're crushing it. We're almost there, let's bring down the last digit. Last step, let's finish strong. We bring down the final digit 6 next to our remainder 1. Look, we have 16. How many times does 2 go into 16? Shout it out, it's 8. Let's check 8 times 2 is exactly 16. We nailed it. Subtracting 16 from 16 gives us 0. No remainder this time. You did it, that's fantastic. We've reached the end of our division. Great job. So we discovered that 116 divided by 2 equals 58. Great job, everyone. We tackled 116 divided by 2 step by step, learning how to handle each part. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing amazing. That's all for today's division adventure. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.